Traders. Dr. Keith here, in for Rob. It is Monday, October 13th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. Well, what's just an incredible few days in the markets, folks. I hope you're all enjoying the trading and the learning that you had in the summit from last week. But so as we get into today, I want to give you a quick overview. First on the daily, here's the NQ on the daily chart. We had that confirmed divergence, right? The beautiful divergence indicator there. That showed us that, hey, we're probably getting close to a top here, might be getting a pullback. And then on Friday, we had that larger pullback. And then today on Monday's candle, another flat top Heikin Ashi candle. Okay, and we'll see what happens. So when this happened before, again, we're in a strong uptrend, right? A lot of times these pullbacks, the champion cross will make it hold. And so I'm not really sure at this point from a daily perspective what's going to happen. But what I do know is I'm not looking to just go long. Okay, what I'm waiting for is confirmation like we had here. Green Heikin Ashi, TRP cross would be great. Something from that standpoint to tell us, not trying to catch that falling knife. So right now I'm basically sitting on my hands from a daily perspective, seeing if it's going to hold. It certainly looks like it wants to, but at some point we will get that larger pullback. So that's what we look for here on the NASDAQ, folks. Now, looking at gold, here's the gold ETF. Just want to kind of show you here how I like to use Heikin Ashi to identify these trends. So we went into a buy zone. We had all kinds of potential signals here, folks, which again I teach on the entries. You can see here. So if you took an opportunity here, folks, on the daily on GLD, okay, if you're waiting for the red Heikin Ashi dot to exit, you could literally still be in this opportunity. Again, that's to me the advantage when I'm using Heikin Ashi with my other indicators. We've been super bullish on the algorithm. Again, we look for that. That way we have a loss. If we're wrong, we have a defined loss that's small based on our position size. And then from there, either your stop gets hit, which in this case it would not have. Then you can either have small wins or big wins, I call it, right? And you get to decide based on the rules what you're looking for here. In this case, yellow dots, no red, you could still be in this trade. So it's all about trying to manage those winners. And if you're right, be right as long as possible. All right, now going down to the 1 minute time frame today. This is as of today here. We had, it was a holiday. We had lower volume. So in the live training room, we just really educated more than anything. But what I look for is very simple here. So this is, again, 11 a.m. We went back to a buy zone, okay? And when you have these pullbacks and then you have resumptions, and at the time the algorithm becomes bullish again, these are some opportunities that you can look for. Again, I did not take any trades in the live training room this morning. I take it back, one scratch trade. But what I look for is very, very simple from the standpoint of execution with the goal, if I'm right, to get some of those runners. If I'm wrong, right, let's get out and go on to that next trade. All right, folks. So Wednesday at 10 o'clock Eastern, I'm real excited to have a presentation on my advanced Heikin Ashi system, folks. Listen, I've pulled out over six figures just from Apex. Okay, six-figure payouts just from Apex. And I really want to show you how I've been doing it, what I do, how I use Heikin Ashi to identify good setups, managing the risk. So please come join me, folks. I've just had 5-figure payouts over the last 30 days. Just requested another payout Friday. I'm going to be requesting another payout today, this evening. So again, come see me. It's becomeabettertrader.com/yes. It's 10 o'clock Eastern on Wednesday, October 15th. Becomeabettertrader.com/yes. You can come see exactly how I'm doing it. It's going to be a great educational environment, folks, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. All right, have a great evening, everybody, and good luck in your trading. Take care.